Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to contact IONOS. Now, the first thing I want you to do is once you're logged in, you can click on this icon at the top menu. It says Help and Contacts. You can click on this, and now here, these are the different help sections. You can also go ahead and click here on Contact, and you get your own personal assistant, which you need to activate. So you can click here and activate now for free. Also show you how to call them, and I've actually tried calling them. The numbers actually work. So you activate this one free of charge, and you'll get your own personal consultant. So click activate now for free, and then right here, this person will be your personal consultant. They'll answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whenever you're calling them, you can go ahead and use this number. This will be your IONOS account number, your temporary phone pin, and you can also arrange a callback. To arrange a callback, you can just click here and arrange a callback, and then you select a date, right? And the time of the day, right? The time window, and schedule a callback. They'll actually call you, put in your number. It's really that easy, and that is how to contact IONOS.